Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava presenting the topic Python. Python is a programming language, high level language, object oriented language. We have to know that. We have seen in the previous video. In this video we will know the operators in Python. Operators are used to perform operations. When we work with the operator, we use the symbol and the numbers or the variable. This number or the variable is called the operand and symbol is called the operators. First we know the arithmetic operators. Plus sign is used to add the number. Minus sign is used to subtract the number. Asterisk, this is the asterisk sign. It is used to multiply the number, and slash is used to divide the number. These are the normal operation. All of us are familiar with this. But now we will learn some standard operator. Double slash. Double slash is considered as the floor division. It gives only the whole part. When we divide the number, it doesn't display the decimal part of the quotient. Only the whole number will be displayed as a result. Mod operator is also, for the mod operator we use the percent sign. It also divides the number, but it doesn't display the quotient. It displays only the remainder. Double asterisk. Double asterisk is considered as the exponent. When we use 2 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3, for that purpose, this symbol is used. For the exponent, double asterisk is used. Now we know the string operator. There are two string operators, string concatenation and string replication. For the concatenation, we use the plus sign and it is used to add the text. It is the language that provides to perform function over the text. We can do the addition of the text using the plus sign. Next is the string replication. For the string replication, we use the asterisk sign. We have it multiply your text with the given number of times. That means it will print the given text with the specified number of times. जैसे मैंने यहाँ it is defined here that text into 5, then it will print your text 5 times without any space. If you need the space, you have to enter the space also with the message, then only it will print the message. Now we know the relational operator. Greater than, less than, greater than equal, less than equal, equal sign and the not equal. These are the relational operator. It gives answer only true or false. It is used to establish the relationship between two variables. And when we use the greater sign, greater than, it gives us false. Greater than, less than, greater than equal will consider greater than, greater as well as the equal. Less than will consider less than as well as the equal. Now for the equal, for equal we use the double equal sign, and for the not equal we use exclamation sign and then equal. That is called the not equal. Next is the assignment operator. Only one operator is the assignment operator. It is used to assign the value to the variable. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to apply more than one condition in a program, and it is also used to it also gives the result only true and false. You can see in the example, logical operator works with the relational operator, and always write logical operator in small letter because we know that it is a case sensitive language. And operator will give you true result only when all condition is true, or will return you true when all condition, when if any of the condition is true. In the example you can see 45 greater than 34. It is the correct condition, but 56 is less than 42. It is the false, so it has returned the 42. But with the or, the same condition is applied and it is giving you true, because One condition is true, so it will return you true. Not is complementary. Complementary, that means if the condition is true, it will return you false. If the condition is false, it will return you true. Without the not operator, you see 45 is greater than 34. It is true but not. So it is returning you false. Now the difference between equal and double equal sign. Equal is the assignment operator, double equal is the relational operator. Equal is used to assign the value to the variable and double equal is used to check the number, to compare the number. Now the asterisk and double asterisk. Asterisk is used to multiply the number and double asterisk is used for the exponent. Thank you.